What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Crazy K, man. Today a sad day in the eating world, man. I just came from the police department, man, putting out a missing report on this lady, man, called Aunt Jemima, man. She used to be on the box. What happened? What happened to good old Aunt Jemima? Y'all white folks had to really take her up off the box. That's the only thing us black folks really had going for ourselves, man, as far as food, man. And y'all took the lady off the box. Somebody come look at this. How y'all feel about that? Then I get on Facebook and a friend of mine put me down on something. I feel bad I put the missing report out. Whole time I'm thinking she missing. And Aunt Jemima got her OnlyFans. Will you believe this? I'm done. I'm done, man. Subscribe to my channel, man.